Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a little makeup storage collection video. We've split this into two. So this week we're going to start off and we're going to do Tara, and then you can tune in next Sunday to see my makeup collection. And yeah, how would you describe your makeup collection, Tara?
We have two very different styles. Like our rooms, I feel like mine's more of like a minimalist style, and yours is very like vintagey. So let's go and take a look at my collection. Woo. If you've watched our channel for a little while, you'll know that I live in Melbourne and Auckland. Oh, stop waving. You'll know that I live in Melbourne and Auckland, so this is my setup at home in Auckland for when I'm not studying. So let's have a look inside. So it's really good. This unit from IKEA hides all the mess, so it makes everything look really tidy, but I have it all in there. There's my skincare up the top there and deodorant, just one deodorant, I'm not super sweaty. The second shelf is my perfume, a bit of jewellery and my brushes, which really need cleaning. Definitely need to do that before I go back to Melbourne. And then this setup, the creme de la creme, the makeup. That's why we're all here. I have these acrylic units from, where are they from?
Plastic box?
I think they're from Plastic Box. So I've got one that's got all my lipsticks and tall things, and then I've got two sets of drawers on top of each other, which I have labelled with my little Damo Babe label maker, and I think it looks super cute. So there is some organisation to it, but most of my makeup is in this drawer that says current, which is the makeup I just use all the time. Lots of these I feel like I've mentioned in favourites videos, but the new things are this Mariah Carey matte blush that Ellen got in her makeup haul thing that I stole. And this is a Tarte powder, which is like cracked, so then I get white powder everywhere and it looks like I've just got coke everywhere. I don't know. It's not, it's my Tarte powder, it broke. And it's kind of annoying. I don't know if I'd repurchase that Tarte powder. I liked it, but we'll see. My lipsticks are quite organised. There's from lightest to darkest, and then from nude to red at the back there. So there's a good system.
Do you own any other colours?
Any other colours than what?
The nude and red.
Oh yeah, there's like, this is the coloured zone, and this is like an orange colour. I don't know why the chapstick's there. That's not a colour. Whoops.
Good one.
It's not there anymore. Yeah, I've got a few palettes back in there. And then I've also got like this one here with my little eyes. This is the eyes drawer. I also have a lot of different foundations and concealers because my colour changes dramatically in winter. I got very pale. Yeah. Oh, I could have gone in there. Whoops. Okay. So that is my makeup collection. I hope you enjoyed taking a peek. If you'd like to see Ellen's girly vintage one next week.
My better setup.
Excuse me, we both like our own setup.
Mine's better.
They're different, not better. Tune in next week for Ellen's one, and we will see you then. Bye!